Today, I want to show you how to create a Gantt chart with Excel. So, here I have got some employees and their vacation start and end dates, and we want to quickly see when these people are away. First up, we want to have some dates here. These dates need to be continuous. Then, we go here. We want to print 1 here if the employee is on vacation on that date, and 0 otherwise. All of these start dates are less than or equal to the date above. Close all the brackets and multiply that with all of these end dates greater than or equal to the dates above. Close all the brackets, and here is how that looks. And when I hit enter, I'll get a bunch of 1s and 0s. I'm going to select all of this range. I'll go to conditional formatting and I'll say highlight equal to, and then I'll say when it is equal to 1, custom format, and let's fill up this nice green color. Press Ctrl 1 to format and set up a custom format code of 3 semicolons. This essentially makes the 1 and 0 number disappears from the cell. The value is still there. It won't appear in the cell. And boom, we have our Gantt chart ready.